big shout out to Factory 47. Just got their signature 14-inch handlebar in stock. Now these are for road glides. We don't only cover a deluxe Vikla, we also cover all the road glides. This is for a 2015 to 22 model. It's a 14-inch, and with these beauties, the great thing about it is you don't have to change any cables, any wiring, any controls. You use all the stock stuff you got. So to change it out, you're not out of pocket for any of that sort of stuff, being the 14-inch on your glide. These are great bars. They're 1.5 inches all the way up the bar. They sit nicely under the canopy, or at the canopy level. They sit really nice. And like a lot of the Factory 47, they've got that accent there on the bar. Gives it a little bit more attitude. I love it. Heaps more attitude. As you can see, my arms are nicely stretched. There is no discomfort there. I could ride for hours like that. They're awesome. We're also got with them the Defender crash bar. If you want them on your glide, we've got the crash bars in stock. You can see they've gone 1.5 inches all the way, and they've got the accent here on the corner to match the bars. So you've got the same sort of look right down your bike. A lot of guys I saw in LA and across America really, riding with these on their glides. They add a little bit of accent to it, a little bit of attitude, that's for sure. But it's not overdone. As you can see, all the corners have been slightly chamfered there, so there's no roughness. That's my finger on there. Beautiful finish to these bars, beautiful finish. And even on here, it's awesome. Look at that, you know, really well made, nicely chromed. It gives your bike that sort of feeling, you know, you rock up to it and you look at it and you go, yeah, it looks good. That's what I find with the Factory 47 stuff. I love it. Here we've got even the back crash bar. Same thing again. Beautiful chrome, as you can see. Nice, beautiful bends, not collapsed. They're full bends. And then you've got that accent running through. So you've got the accent on the back, accent on the crash bar, and the same sort of accent on the handlebars. So you get the triple treat. We've just got them in. We do cover the glides. We've got them in black as well. And we've also got them, the crash bars in for the deluxe as well, for the soft tails. Keep cool, guys. Check it out. So one of the signature bars going out today, we rewrapped them. We rewrapped them in the plumbing insulation. That's about 1 inch thick there, and we taped the whole thing up. Never have a problem transporting them. They always arrive as good as we pack them. Thank you to the Custom Kraft family. We love you guys. Thanks for all the feedback, all the support, all the love. Yes, it's quite a privilege anyway to be doing this for us, for you guys. We're getting a special studio down here built in the next week or two. Big task, studio, but we're knocking it over slowly and getting there. Thanks 47 for all the beautiful product. Thank you to the 300 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thanks to the family. That's awesome. Big milestone for us. I know it's only 300, but every little bit counts, and it shows that people are loving the content as well, which is awesome. Those bars you've seen earlier, they will be available on the website as of next week. If you'd like to order some now, just message us through. Okay, cheers.